How to flush a water heater to get rid of sediment? If you are asking this question, you want to extend the life of your plumbing system. Today, we will answer exactly how to clear out that damaging sediment step by step. How often should I flush my water heater? You should flush your water heater at least once a year. Annual flushing prevents heavy mineral buildup, keeps your heating bills low, and significantly extends the life of your tank. Why do I need to flush my water heater? You need to flush your water heater because minerals settle at the bottom of the tank over time. This sediment buildup reduces heating efficiency, causes popping noises, and leads to premature tank failure. What tools do I need to flush a water heater? To flush a water heater, you only need a standard garden hose to safely direct the draining water outside, and a flathead screwdriver or wrench to open the drain valve. How do I turn off the power to my water heater? If you have an electric water heater, turn off the power at your main breaker box to protect the heating elements. For a gas heater, turn the gas control valve setting to the pilot position. How do I shut off the water supply? You shut off the water supply by locating the cold water inlet valve near the top of the heater. Turn this valve clockwise until it completely stops to prevent new water from entering the tank. Where do I connect the hose to drain the tank? Connect your garden hose directly to the drain valve located at the very bottom of the tank. Route the other end of the hose outside to a safe drainage area, as the water will be hot. How do I start draining the water heater? First, open any hot water faucet inside your home to let air into the system and prevent a vacuum. Then, open the drain valve at the bottom of the tank to allow the sediment and water to flow out. How do I flush the remaining sediment out? Once the tank is empty, briefly turn the cold water supply valve back on for 15 seconds. Repeat this flushing process until the water running out of your hose is completely clear. How do I refill and restart the water heater safely? Close the drain valve, disconnect the hose, and turn the cold water supply back on. Once water flows from your open hot water faucet, turn the faucet off and safely restore the power or gas supply. Do not let sediment destroy your plumbing system. For professional water heater maintenance, reliable repairs, and expert installation, contact the professionals. Call 858-536-4161 or visit blackmountainplumbing.com.